back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Outside will be Joey Stringer in the 49 out of Nancy, Kentucky. The 51 of Rodney Keaton. The 52H of Brenton Hall. The 71 of Spencer Luttrell. The 2 of Caleb Mills. 15 laps. Crown Vic features coming your way. Alan Douglas brings them to the green. Still side by side as they come back to the flag stand. It'll be Jeffrey Cranmer leading lap 1. Alan Douglas runs second. Still side by side down the backstretch as they did on the parade lap. Still side by side off of turn 3 and 4 at the line. It'll be Cranmer and Douglas 2 by 2 by 2, 4 rows back. Just as they were on the parade lap. We are still side by side. And we got a caution out. Caution on the speedway. Caution is out. Caution is out on the track. Caleb Mills in the 2 brings out the caution. Stringer, Brenton Hall, your top 10. Green flag getting ready to come out. The Pepsi restart zone. And we are green flag racing once again here at Lake Cumberland Speedway as Cranmer going to take him down into 1 and 2, still nose to tail. Now Hammond's going to break off and go to the bottom of the racetrack, going to try to make that stick, not going to make it happen as that car slides up, and he will go back to 3rd. He'll stay right there. Now the 93 goes to the bottom of the racetrack trying to make it happen, not going to make it happen there as Douglas tried to pull off a slider, and it just wouldn't happen there as it's still a little slick down there on the bottom as he will stay right there in the tire tracks of the 224 of Cranmer as those two start to pull away just a little bit from the 8 of Hammonds and the 77 of Litton. The 10E of Emerson also there with them. And now Litton to the bottom of the racetrack trying to get underneath the 8 of Hammonds. Here comes the 10E of Emerson off of turn 4. 3rd will be Isaac Litton. Then it'll be Taylor Hammonds and Brandon Emerson. Those 3 cars battling it out. And there's a battle for the lead. Douglas trying to make it stick on the bottom. Going to roll that corner. Not going to make it happen as it's Cranmer at the line by 15/100ths of a second. Still side by side for your leaders up front. Cranmer at the line. 7/100ths of a second that time by. And now the 93 of Douglas trying to make it stick once again. Those two still remain side by side. Litton and the 10E of Emerson have gotten around the 8 of Hammonds now as those two have started to separate from him. As up front, Cranmer gets the wall on the backstretch, allows the 93 of Douglas to get right up under that rear deck lid. They are still nose to tail as we are 9 in, and we're going to see 5 to go next time by. Green flag back at the air for Jeffrey Cranmer. Brandon Emerson to the bottom. Going to have a slider on the 77 of Isaac Litton. Move him to 3rd. Litton to 4th. Now Litton going to battle back. But up front, it is the 224 of Jeffrey Cranmer. And we're going to see the white flag next time by. Jeffrey Kramer will see the white flag. One more lap around here for your A&A Auto Sale Crown Vic feature as he has led them all down the backstretch. Going to roll into 3 and 4. Checker flag in the air. Jeffrey Cranmer going to pick up the win. Second will go to Alan Douglas. Then it'll be Brandon Iverson, Isaac Litton, Taylor Hammonds, Rodney Keaton, Joey Stringer, Josh Stringer, Brenton Hall, and Spencer Luttrell. So third will go to Brandon Iverson. Second to Alan Douglas. And the winner of your A&A Auto Sales Crown Vic feature out of Memphis, Indiana, in the 224. That is Jeffrey Cranmer. Led all 15 laps here tonight.
0, fourth row.
Getting unbuckled, getting ready to come out of that car. Race fans, let him hear you. Jeffrey Cranmer, your feature winner here tonight.